Losing weight is important. It makes you healthier. You will feel better. It is a journey, not a race. Take the first step today. Many people want to lose weight. They struggle to begin. This guide is for them. It will give you simple tips. You can start your journey today. It is never too late to start. Every step counts. Let's get started on your path to a healthier you. Are you ready? Let's go. Set small, realistic goals. Do not try to lose too much weight quickly. Aim for 1 to 2 pounds per week. This is healthy and sustainable. Start slowly. Do not change everything at once. Make gradual changes to your diet and exercise. This will help you stick to your plan. Track your progress. Write down what you eat and how much you exercise. This will help you stay motivated. Celebrate your successes. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Be kind to yourself. You can do this. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health. Water helps you feel full, reducing the urge to snack unnecessarily. It also helps your body function properly, aiding in digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation. Aim for 8 glasses of water per day to keep your body well hydrated and functioning optimally. Eat more fruits and vegetables. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them perfect for weight management. They will help you feel full and satisfied. Choose lean protein sources to support your diet. Protein helps you build and maintain muscle mass, which is essential for a healthy metabolism. It also helps you feel full, reducing the temptation to overeat. Good sources of protein include chicken, which is versatile and easy to prepare. Fish, beans, and tofu are also excellent choices, providing variety and essential nutrients. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These can derail your healthy eating efforts. These foods are high in calories and low in nutrients, offering little benefit to your body. They will sabotage your weight loss efforts and can lead to other health issues. Make smart choices for a healthier you. Section 4. Get moving, easy exercises to kickstart your journey. Starting your fitness journey doesn't have to be daunting. You don't need a gym to exercise. Your home can be your personal fitness space. Start with simple activities like walking. It's easy, free, and can be done anywhere. Aim for 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. This can significantly improve your cardiovascular health. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. It's a great way to incorporate more movement into your day. Park your car farther away from your destination. This small change can add extra steps to your daily routine. These small changes can make a big difference. Over time, they add up to significant health benefits. Try bodyweight exercises at home. Squats, push-ups, and lunges are great for building strength. They require no equipment and can be done in small spaces. You can find videos online to guide you. There are countless free resources available. Find an activity you enjoy. It could be dancing, which is a fun way to get your heart rate up, swimming, which is excellent for low-impact exercise, or cycling, which is great for endurance. When you enjoy your workout, you are more likely to stick with it. Consistency is key to seeing results and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Section 5. The power of positivity. Believing in your weight loss journey. Your mindset matters. Believe in yourself and your ability to succeed. Visualize yourself reaching your goals. Focus on the positive changes you are making. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Don't dwell on setbacks. Everyone makes mistakes. Learn from them and move on. You've got this. Remember, this is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. Know you've been a good friend. Section 6. Finding your cheer squad. The importance of support. In any fitness journey, having a strong support system can make all the difference. Having a support system is crucial. It provides motivation, accountability, and a sense of community. Tell your friends and family about your goals. Ask for their encouragement. Their support can help you stay committed and focused. Join a support group or an online community. These platforms can offer advice, share experiences, and provide a sense of belonging. Connect with people who understand your journey. They can offer valuable insights and keep you motivated. Share your successes and challenges. Celebrating milestones with others can boost your morale and keep you going. Surround yourself with positive influences. These people will inspire you to push harder and achieve your goals. Avoid people who are negative or discouraging. Their negativity can hinder your progress and dampen your spirits. You deserve to be surrounded by people who lift you up. Positive affirmations and encouragement can make a huge difference. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. There are many people who share your goals and aspirations. There are people who care about you and want to see you succeed. Together, you can achieve great things. Section 7. Your healthier tomorrow starts today. Starting your weight loss journey is a powerful decision. It is an investment in your health and happiness. You will have more energy, sleep better, and feel more confident. You will reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Take that first step today. You deserve to live a healthier, happier life. Don't wait any longer. Start your transformation now.